FixAlex here. Today we're gonna replace rear brake pads on Nissan Pathfinder. And the first step is to lift the car. So I put the jack close to the rear diff, to the frame. In this way I'm gonna be able to lift both wheels at the same time. Alright guys, so don't forget to use security. Secure something. Use something to secure the car in case of falling. Don't forget about that. And that's the tools that I'm gonna use today. This is 21mm socket, 14mm range and 14mm socket, and something to squeeze the brake piston. You can use C-clamp or you can use big channel lock. This is some grease for the brakes, anti-seize for metal parts, and this is silicone for rubber. All right, so let's remove the wheel. Oh, by the way, braking bar too. All right. Now put the wheel behind under the car. This is 14mm bolt and we need to unscrew it, so I'm gonna use braking bar to unscrew that bolt. Okay, very good. Now ratchet, unscrew it. Be careful, don't break your seals. Okay, very good. Coming, it's clean, the pin is clean. Now lift it just like that. Inspect your seals, guys, because sometimes they broken, and that's where you're gonna use your channel lock, just like that. All right, now remove one brake pad. Okay, that's where I'm gonna apply anti-seize grease. Forget it, just install. Before installing, I'm gonna apply some anti-seize lubricant right here. Not too much, guys, just like that. Okay, and the back, in the back, like that. Very good. Not too much. You don't wanna over grease it. You don't want grease come to you on your rotors. Okay, very good. Now silicone grease. Silicone grease is for those pins. Not too much too. Just refresh it. And the bottom one. And the bottom one. And the bottom one, just like that. And that's it, not too much. Okay. Okay. Install your pins back. And that's it. Simple as piece of cake. Tight your pins. Okay. Hand tight. That's it. Put your seals back on, and that's it, guys. Thank you guys for watching. Enjoy to my channel.